Whether you own a home or are renting an apartment, a toolkit will come in handy for quick fixes or major repairs. Here are some quick tips on what every toolbox should contain. You will always need a carpenter's hammer. This can be used for anything from hanging pictures to building, say, a bookcase. But you will also need a small finishing hammer. This one can be used for your more delicate projects. A pair of pliers with wire cutting jaws can be used for gripping small objects, but it can also be used for cutting that wire for the pictures that you want to hang. And then a pair of needle nose pliers can be used for the areas that are hard to get to. A file can be used for sanding metal objects or sharpening blades. And of course, you can't live without your trusty tape measure. You have to have one of these. You should have a sanding block in your toolbox with different types of sandpaper. This can be used for sanding and smoothing your wood. You also need a variety of screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips. 3 sizes of each of these should handle any screw. Remember, you'll carry your toolbox with you wherever you go, so stock it now and it will last you for years to come.